Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce doubling universal spatial head unit. Android 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, here is box. Let me do the unbox review. Open the box. You can check head unit with good condition. This is head unit. Okay, let me introduce the honey set first. Okay, you can check this is ISO power cable. ISO power cable. It comes with this connector. Okay, this is cable. This K1, K2 special for steering wheel controls. Steering wheel. This is ground GND wire. This wire break-in do not need to connect it. It's reverse when connect the backup camera. It detect back single. This is AMP power. Okay. There are come with a remote controller and install part and the screw. This screw and the install part. You check. You can check this screw and the install part. Okay. GPS antenna. Come with external microphone and USB cable to USB external microphone port. It comes with camera input. RC type. This is AUX cable. Okay, this video input. AUX input left and right. This is the audio cable. This subwoofer. And the video out 1 and the video out 2. This is AUX output, left and right, front and the rear. Okay, let me introduce the head unit. Okay, this is drive agent. This head unit. Okay, you can check this power button. this button, home button, back button, and SD card slot, this DVD slot, SD card slot, reset home microphone, mute, disc, navy button. Okay. You can check there are 2 screws. Take out it before installing. It fixes DVD in shippings. Left and right side. Okay. You can check backup head units. Mute just. Okay. Here is the GPS. This fuse and connectors. You can check this radio ports. This connectors. This Wi-Fi antenna. This radio port. Okay. Let me power on with 12 voltage. Need adjustments. Okay. Head unit is start. You can take out this screen protector before using. Please tear this protector before using. Okay. Okay, let me check the home. Very fast response. System. About device, you can check model is PX5. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, back to home. It's built-in Wi-Fi. It's built-in Wi-Fi. You can connect Wi-Fi. Okay. You can screen this screenshot settings. You can choose this time and the location. Car settings. You can change this button color. Okay. Right. And this steering wheel, you can pair the steering wheel keys. It's driver setting. It's watching on video when you video. Extra setting, you can set the ACC shutdown delay with 1 hour, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 30 minutes. You can set it here. Play music, autoplay, and this is reverse setting. Rear ruler, volume, you can off, you can check the rotation. Okay. It's built in the Google Maps and the Google Play Store. You can install any applications on Google Play Store. Okay, that's all. Thank you.